Okay, this is a 2009 Chrysler Town and Country. The problem with this van is blowing cold air. Even the was in the high. So if you guys have enough coolant, temperatures is where it's supposed to be. I have done this procedure to so many vehicles and I know what's the problem. The problem right here is the heater core is clogged. So this procedure you can do it at home. All you guys need is a garden hose to unclog the heater core. Right. You guys already checked the coolant level and the temperature gauge. So, and everything looks okay. We're gonna go to the next step. Also, I have this one too. See, if you guys don't have the scanner, just go with the gauge. Turn the vehicle off, let it cool down, and let's go to the engine compartment. So in this case, or this type of vehicle has the heater core on this side, on the driver's side, right in front of the, I would say, of the steering wheel, but this is gonna be in the engine compartment. All right, here. ¿Se alcanza a mirar hasta allá? La punta del desarmador. Okay, so these two, ¿sí se miran las dos que estoy apuntando? Okay, these two hoses are the inlet and outlet for the heater core. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to remove those hoses over there. You guys not gonna be able to see it while I'm removing. Once you remove the two heater core hoses, you're gonna put the water straight to the pipes and open the water and switch from one to the other. Stay a few seconds in one, then switch to the other one. Do it for a few seconds and so on, switching into when you see clean water coming out. Once you do this procedure with the current hose, you can put the hoses, you can reconnect the hoses. Make sure that the clamps are sitting on the right place so you guys don't have leaks. And with the radiator drain plug open, you guys gonna open the radiator cap right here. Okay, with the radiator drain plug open, you guys gonna do the same thing here, but do this when you guys are sure that the radiator is empty. So once the radiator is empty, leave the drain plug open and put the garden hose on top and open the water so the water can flow and flush the radiator. Close the drain plug of the radiator and fill the coolant to the level. Go ahead and put the radiator cap. Okay, I'm here with
Araceli.
Okay. She said she's the owner of the van. Is that true? Or it looks like it's stolen.
It's my mom.
Oh, it's your mom's. Okay. Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, so what's the difference between before and after the procedure I did to the van on the heater?
The heater didn't work before.
Okay, so now it's working or not working?
Yes, it's working.
Is better?
Yeah, I can feel it.
Okay. So, okay, guys. So you guys have this problem, your vehicle, just do this procedure and you won't have to spend money. Thank you.